Building a colorful lava lamp in a jar is something truly mesmerizing. This fun and simple experiment is perfect for young scientists and curious minds. First, let's gather our materials. Each of us will need some cooking oil, some vinegar, plenty of baking soda, a small mixing bowl, a spoon, a clear jar, food colorant, and a spirit of adventure. Step 1. Let's start by adding baking soda to the bottom of our jars. This is the secret to our lava lamp's bubbly magic. Remember to let your little scientists take the lead and encourage them to carefully pour. It's okay if they spill a bit. The fun and learning are in the doing. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of achievement and joy in discovery. Step 2. Next, fill the jar with oil, leaving some space at the top. Watch how the oil and baking soda don't mix. Science in action. Step 3. Now for the color. Mix vinegar with your choice of food colorant in a separate cup. This will be the lava in our lamp. Step 4. Ready for the magic? Carefully pour the colored vinegar into the jar. Watch as it sinks through the oil and reacts with the baking soda, creating a captivating lava effect. Parents, as our lava lamp comes to life, this is a great time to share some fun science with your kids. You can tell them, see how the oil floats on top and the vinegar sinks to the bottom? That's because of density. Oil is lighter than water or vinegar, so it stays on top. It's like how a piece of wood floats on water. And when the colored vinegar, which is an acid, meets the baking soda, a base, they react. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. Those are the bubbles you see. It's like soda fizz, but we made it with vinegar and baking soda. The bubbles take some of the colored vinegar up to the top. When the gas escapes at the top, the vinegar droplets fall back down. This cycle looks like a real lava lamp, where heat makes wax rise and fall in a similar way. Also, when you hit the subscribe button, a chemical reaction makes us happy and helps the channel reach more parents interested in teaching science to their kids. Now click on the playlist below for more fun science projects. Thanks for joining our scientific adventure, and remember to keep exploring and stay curious. See ya!